Thinking about getting the Surface Pro 10 or sticking with the Surface Pro 9? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know: performance, display, features, and more. Watch till the end, because I'll reveal which one is the better buy in 2025. I've also included links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And hey, like the video, it really helps me out. The build quality and design of the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Pro 9 share many similarities, with both models maintaining the premium, sleek aesthetics that have become synonymous with the Surface lineup. The magnesium chassis on both devices exudes sturdiness, and each model remains impressively light and thin, with the Surface Pro 10 weighing in at 1.94 pounds without the keyboard, almost identical to the Surface Pro 9. Both devices feature squared-off edges and minimalist lines, contributing to their professional and modern appeal. The 13-inch display on both devices is surrounded by thin bezels, with the Surface Pro 9 and Pro 10 offering the same PixelSense Flow display boasting a 2880 by 1920 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This consistency in design ensures that users get the same high-quality visual experience, whether they're using the Surface Pro 9 or the Surface Pro 10. While the external design remains largely unchanged, the internals of the Surface Pro 10 introduce a key improvement in terms of performance. However, the Surface Pro 9's design does have its strengths, particularly the adjustable kickstand, which is one of the most flexible and smooth mechanisms in the 2-in-1 space. The Pro 10 retains this signature kickstand, but its functionality remains somewhat awkward for lap use or in confined spaces like airplane trays, a limitation that both devices share. Despite this, the build quality on both is top-notch, providing a solid and balanced feel, which is vital for business users who prioritize portability and durability. When it comes to ports, both models share some fundamental similarities, but with notable limitations. Both the Surface Pro 9 and Surface Pro 10 feature two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, offering fast data transfer and the ability to connect external monitors or accessories. Additionally, both models include the proprietary Surface Connect port for charging and docking, further emphasizing Microsoft's streamlined approach. However, both devices lack a USB-A port, SD card slot, or HDMI, which limits their versatility in terms of direct connectivity without relying on dongles or docks. For those looking to connect multiple accessories or legacy devices, both the Surface Pro 9 and 10 require additional accessories, making the port selection a bit restrictive for power users. Ultimately, the Surface Pro 9 and Pro 10 share a similar design philosophy, with minimal changes in their external build and port offerings. The display on the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Pro 9 is one of the standout features of both devices, though they share many similarities. Both have a 13-inch PixelSense Flow display with a resolution of 2880 by 1920 and a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering sharp visuals and smooth scrolling. The colors are vibrant, and the display supports Dolby Vision HDR, making it great for media consumption and creative tasks. The brightness on both is impressive, reaching over 450 nits, ensuring usability even in direct sunlight. However, while the Surface Pro 9 offers a great display, users often experience performance hiccups under load, especially when unplugged, leading to noticeable pen lag or screen jitter when performing heavy tasks. The Surface Pro 10 doesn't resolve all of these issues, but the performance bump thanks to the Intel Core Ultra processors and the Neural Processing Unit improves the overall experience. In day-to-day use, the display feels more responsive on the Surface Pro 10, and while both are exceptional, the latter might feel smoother under continuous use, especially when running demanding apps. When it comes to cameras, the Surface Pro 10 sees a notable upgrade over its predecessor. The front-facing camera on the Surface Pro 9 is a 5-megapixel sensor capable of 1080p video, which delivers clear video calls but isn't as high resolution as some might expect in the premium category. On the other hand, the Surface Pro 10 jumps to a 1440p front camera, providing a wider field of view and clearer, more professional-looking video calls. This is a significant improvement for those who rely on video conferencing, as it offers better clarity and reduces the graininess often seen in lower-resolution cameras. Both devices include a rear-facing 10-megapixel camera capable of capturing 4K video, sufficient for quick photos or document scanning, though it's hardly the primary reason to choose either device. In terms of overall video quality, the Surface Pro 10 is clearly ahead, making it more suited for professional or frequent video calls. The keyboard, touchpad, and stylus experience on both devices remain largely similar, but the Surface Pro 10 improves on the reliability of these peripherals. The Surface Pro 9's type-cover keyboard, which is sold separately, offers a solid typing experience, though it has its limitations when used on the lap due to the device's form factor. The haptic touchpad is smooth and responsive, but it still falls short compared to some of the competition. The optional Slim Pen 2 provides a great stylus experience, supporting 4096 pressure levels and haptic feedback, although users noted that it's not always fluid under heavier workloads, with latency becoming an issue during intensive tasks. The Surface Pro 10's keyboard and touchpad follow in the footsteps of its predecessor with no major design changes. The keyboard continues to be reliable, providing comfortable typing on flat surfaces, but still not ideal for use in more dynamic environments, like on your lap. The Slim Pen 2, though sold separately, remains a solid accessory, and its magnetically rechargeable design has been retained. The real improvement with the Surface Pro 10 is in the pen's responsiveness when paired with the NPU, offering more fluid pen input, especially in creative applications or note-taking. Battery life is another area where the Surface Pro 10 takes a step forward. The Surface Pro 9 struggles in this department, with real-world usage often delivering around 5 to 6 hours on a full charge, which is less than ideal for a device meant to be used as a portable workhorse. While the ARM version of the Surface Pro 9 provides a bit better battery life, it comes with its own set of limitations, particularly in app compatibility. The Surface Pro 10, however, boasts an impressive 12 hours and 19 minutes on the PC Mark X Modern Office test, making it one of the better-performing devices in terms of battery life in the Windows tablet category. Real-world use on the Surface Pro 10 should easily last through a full day of light productivity, browsing, and media consumption. Charging on both models is handled via the Surface Connect port, which supports fast charging, and USB-C charging is available for those who prefer a universal charger. The difference here is noticeable, with the Surface Pro 10's battery life offering a much more reliable experience, especially for professionals who need their devices to last through busy workdays. While both share many design elements, the Surface Pro 10 builds upon the strengths of its predecessor, particularly in the areas of camera quality, stylus responsiveness, and battery life. The improved front-facing camera, more efficient performance, and longer battery life in the Surface Pro 10 offer a refined experience for business users and professionals. Still, both devices continue to provide an excellent balance of portability and productivity, with the Surface Pro 9 offering solid performance despite its battery limitations, and the Surface Pro 10 making subtle but impactful upgrades to enhance the user experience. When comparing the performance, a clear distinction emerges in terms of processing power, editing capabilities, and gaming performance. The Surface Pro 10 is equipped with Intel's Core Ultra 5 or 7 processors based on the Meteor Lake architecture, which include an integrated neural processing unit. This new chip design brings significant improvements over the older 12th Gen Intel chips in the Surface Pro 9. The Pro 9 is powered by the Intel Core i5 or i7-1255U processors, which perform admirably in most everyday tasks, but struggle when pushed with demanding workloads or while running on battery power. In contrast, the Core Ultra chips in the Surface Pro 10 allow it to handle multitasking and productivity tasks with greater efficiency, especially when running AI-powered features such as background blur, eye tracking, and noise reduction during video calls. These improvements come largely from the addition of the NPU, which helps to process AI tasks more efficiently, reducing strain on the CPU and GPU. In terms of creative work, both devices show their limitations, though the Surface Pro 10 offers a noticeable edge. While the Surface Pro 9, equipped with Intel's Iris Xe graphics, can handle light photo editing and basic creative tasks, it begins to show significant performance throttling, especially when unplugged or under heavy workloads. Applications like Photoshop, Lightroom, and Illustrator can become sluggish, and the device often experiences fan noise and throttling when pushed beyond basic productivity tasks. On the other hand, the Surface Pro 10 incorporates Intel's Arc graphics, which provide a notable boost in handling light creative tasks such as video editing in DaVinci Resolve, photo manipulation in Photoshop, and vector design in Illustrator. Although it's not designed for heavy-duty creative workloads, the Pro 10 performs these tasks with more responsiveness compared to its predecessor, making it a more reliable choice for mobile creatives who need an ultra-portable device for light editing on the go. Gaming, however, remains a weak point for both devices. Neither device is designed to handle intensive gaming, but the Surface Pro 9's Intel Iris Xe graphics are significantly less capable when it comes to gaming compared to the integrated Intel Arc graphics in the Surface Pro 10. While both devices can handle casual and older titles such as Stardew Valley or Minecraft at 1080p with lower settings, the Surface Pro 9 struggles to maintain smooth gameplay. The Iris Xe graphics often result in lag and poor frame rates during anything beyond light gaming, with the device quickly reaching thermal limits and increasing fan noise. In contrast, the Intel Arc graphics in the Surface Pro 10 offer a slight improvement, enabling smoother performance in these casual games. However, both systems fall short for anything remotely demanding, like AAA titles or games that require a discrete GPU, and neither device will be suitable for serious gaming sessions. The overall editing and gaming performance of the Surface Pro 10 is a noticeable step up from the Surface Pro 9, especially for users looking for a portable device capable of light creative work. The Pro 10's improvements in CPU power, GPU performance, and efficiency make it a more versatile option for those in need of an ultra-portable laptop that can handle occasional creative tasks, while the Pro 9 feels limited by its older Intel chips and integrated graphics. Both devices, however, will likely disappoint gamers and those who require serious creative power from their machines, as neither is equipped to handle demanding games or complex video editing workflows. So, after looking at the Surface Pro 10 versus Surface Pro 9, here's the bottom line. The Surface Pro 10 takes the lead in 2025. With its improved performance, better front camera, longer battery life, and enhanced stylus experience, it's the clear choice for most users, especially professionals and creatives. The Surface Pro 9 still offers solid performance, but it falls behind in key areas like battery life and multitasking power. If you want the best experience, go with the Surface Pro 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and check the description for deals.